Alright, so for today's recipe, we will gonna make Shio Ramen no budget way. So we have napa cabbage, spring onion, our ordinary noodle or Mickey in the Philippines, you can find it anywhere, and our chicken and bean sprout. This is just so easy to make. Alright, tiki man tayong pakals na this. So in this part of the video, you will not be hearing how delicious the meal was because there will be a separate video for that, so stay tuned. So for today, we just a recap, we made Shio Ramen, and there's a lot of ramen in Japan, and one of those is Shio Ramen, which basically means white ramen. It's not because the noodle is white, because the broth is white, and most likely it is not made of pork. So I don't eat pork, so we improvise it with chicken. But you can also use other broth as well. But I just use chicken because let's just be creative in cooking, and it's no budget show. So just a recap, we boil our chicken first. Better if you have chicken legs or chicken wings while you broth it. And then you add seasonings. My choice were ginger and then leek or then spring onion, and then pepper, and then salt. That's it. Then for the garnish for our ramen, we had egg, boiled egg, and then our napa cabbage, and then the spring bean sprout. I mean bean sprout. So we just stir fry the napa cabbage and the bean sprout. Then that's it. They're supposed to be what you call that one, nori, the seaweed, but it's no budget show, so we didn't get that. And for the noodle as well, there is this specific Japanese instant ramen that you can buy in the supermarket, but we didn't get that because it's a bit expensive. It's around 50 to 60 pesos. But that ordinary noodle, it's around 10 pesos or 15. So it's cheaper and it's tastier. So yeah, that's easy. That's so easy. By the way, if I'm not mistaken, this is requested by Wen Jump Market. Alright, I made a mistake. It's not Wen Chang, it's Wen Manang Kitchenette. Thank you so much for suggesting this this recipe for us to watch. And I hope this is not an instant noodle because we made our own broth, though the noodle is not fresh because we bought it in supermarket, but I think it's fine, right, Madam Wen Chan not Wen Chan Supermarket, it's Madam Wen Manang Kitchenette, and shout out to you. And I think that's all, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.